Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday morning. It is about 2:54 a.m. on Thursday morning, guys. Good morning. Happy early morning. And for the late up all nighters insomniacs, hello. How are you? I'm coming to you guys with a nice little quick little vlog. I haven't been on for a couple of days to do a long vlog. I've been throwing a couple of shorts out there, but I said, let me do me a nice little vlog and say what's up to my peoples and see how everybody's doing. Make sure everybody's doing good physically, mentally, emotionally. Because sometimes we need to clear our minds and our heads so that we can have good bodies. I'm just trying to keep myself healthy out here and strong at the tender age of 51. I just turned 51 on August 14th. It was me and my daughter's birthday, guys, 3 days ago. So Leo love for the people out there who celebrate birthdays in Leo, guys. In in August, the Leos. Happy birthday to you guys. To everybody who celebrates a Leo birthday, happy Leo life to you. I just also wanted to say, share family love, spread family love, love your family. Try to get over the ups and the downs, because as families, we always have our ups and our downs, our problems, our ins, our outs, our goods, our bads, but we still got to remain loyal and try to be there for our family, because it seems to me when we're going through our roughest and toughest of times, the one people that we can depend on is our loved ones that are close by. We got to keep them close by for that, because we tend to go through tough times often. Sometimes you may not even be going through a tough time. You might just want to talk to somebody or say hello to somebody that you love, which is a family member. How you been? What's going on? How's it doing? How's everything going? So try to keep that relationship clear. Nobody says it's supposed to be perfect, because most times it's not. But at least try to stay as close in the ball field as you can, because like at the end of the day, when all else fails or all other doors close on you, you definitely have your loved ones and your family members there to be there for you, to hold their hand out, and to help you, to show you support if you need it. So just reach out to them, guys. I love everybody for subscribing to our channel, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please hit subscribe on this video and show the love for this channel. We are doing really good on our channel. I want to thank you guys for that, because we are elevating at a nice little speed. We're doing good. We're literally on the doorsteps of being monetized, a monetized channel. So thank everybody that supported this channel, or ever viewed our videos, or ever view one of my posts, or whatever. Thank you so much, because it's with your support and through your support that we make it on this platform. We thank you guys for that. I don't want to talk too loud, because again, it's about 2:56 a.m. Eastern time, because I live up north. So it's Eastern time, about almost 3 a.m. So I don't want to raise my voice too much. My kids are not at school yet, though, because up north we start school a little bit closer to September. So because we get out in most times like the middle to end of July. So we usually start school like the end of August or the first day of September. So this year, I'm pretty sure it starts on the 29th. So I'm going to be getting ready to start going, look, I was about to say Christmas, school shopping. I'm jumping ahead of the game. But school shopping, my daughter wants to go out tomorrow and get some stuff. So I'm going to go with her to go get her some stuff. It's time to start getting those supplies and all that. So I'm about to see, probably going to go online tonight and see, or this morning, and see who has the better deals on supplies. Believe it or not, if you go to a Staples, they actually be having have good deals, because it's a supply store. So, you probably can get coupons too if you go to the actual Staples office supply store. But yeah, we're getting ready to tackle things down and start having folks go to bed at a normal time. You guys know the vibe. Those who have put their kids, whose kids are already back to school, you know, all that up all night and staying up all night has got to end. We got to get back into the relaxation, not relaxation, the brain mode, you know, get them kids to bed at a, you know, a decent time. To me, myself too, because my grandbabies be up late, but all that's about to change. My little grandson's about to start preschool. So he won't be up at late. My other granddaughter, she's about to start 4th grade this year. She'll be up late. All that has to stop because we got to get have those minds rested. You know, I think they said for a child it's at least 10 hours of sleep a night, and for an adult it's like 8 hours of sleep. So they really need that 10 hours. But if they can't get the full 10, at least as close to the 10 as possible. And we ourselves really need that 8 hours. But if we can't get that 8 hours, as close to that 8 as possible. And I think a doctor had told me before that if you have, is it 3 hours of uninterrupted sleep, 3 to 4 hours of uninterrupted sleep, that's also considered, you know, rest in the brain, rest in the mind, but it has to be uninterrupted. No, not waking up just like 3 to 4 straight hours. Well, for the people who are insomniacs and who, you know, have sleeping, you know, irregularities, that may work for you. Try that out. Try to get you, even if it's during the day. And I even was told that if you was to lay there and close your eyes and just like zone out for like an hour or two, a power nap, whatever, it, you know, relaxes the body, relaxes the brain, gives the brain time to rejuvenate, so that, you know, because loss of sleep deprivation also like affects our brain as far as our memory. You'll be wondering why you can't remember that much during that day, because you didn't have enough sleep. So I'm up now because I got my sleep I went to sleep at about, I think it was like 3, and stayed sleeping till like about 11, and then I woke up, no, yeah, like about 11 something, and then I woke up, and so now I'm up and I'm probably getting ready to go to sleep again and wake up in the morning so I can be rejuvenated, get ready for my Thursday. Probably got to go out because my daughter wants, like I said, she want to go out and pick up a couple of things for school. So I'm going to have to go out to the store with her, get a couple of things. Also let her go open up her bank account. So I'll probably take her to my bank, let her open up her bank account so she can get her checks direct deposit. And yeah, so I got #mom's life to mom, #mom duties tomorrow. So I got to get me some more rest because it's going to be probably a little long day. My daughter will come down early. Do you remember you said you were going to take me? So I got to do that. But that's what I signed up for. That's how it goes. It don't stop. It don't end. Can't complain because who's listening? Nobody cares, right? At the end of the day, you got to put on your big girl sleeves, man up, toughen up, and deal with it. Shake it off, boop, 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 and keep it pushing. That's all I do. You know, it'll be over one day, or 1 second, or 1 hour. That's how I look at it. And I'd also look at it like, if I put so much effort into it, it's like not even worth it. I'm not doing that. I just relax and sit back and kick it and chill. I don't got time to put too much effort into stress, BS,